Hello and welcome to the introduction for advanced beauty retouching techniques in Adobe Photoshop. This course will teach you how to perform professional beauty retouching from start to finish. We are going to take this stock image, and perform 7 retouching techniques to give us our final image. Did you see that transition? Before and after? No worries, I'm going to show you again. Here is the image before and here is the image after. Again, before and after. Here are a few of the techniques we will use in this course to produce our final image. We will start by using the Liquify tool to reshape the face and enhance the bone structure. We will also use a clone stamp tool to remove any pimples from the face from the skin. We will use frequency separation technique to create the perfect skin. We will then dodge and burn to enhance the highlights and the shadows. We will also use color correction to enhance the overall look and feel of the image. So together we are going to retouch any beauty image that you like. This is perfect to be used in magazines, it can be used in advertising or modeling, or maybe you just want that perfect Instagram picture. This 11-part video course will teach you how to perform a beauty retouch on any image, so jump right in and learn something new with Inspiration Clan today.